VMware Cloud Professional 2 volts 0-33.22 exam dumps are valuable for you to test all the related topics. Share some VMware certification 2 volts 0-33.22 exam dumps here. 1. Which two use cases can be met with VMware Cloud on Dell EMC and VMware Cloud on AWS Outposts? Choose 2. A. Administrator rights in SDDC Manager to configure and operate the solution. B. Ability to create public services. C. Applications needing local data processing and/or low latency integrations. D. Critical workloads that use restricted data. E. On-demand rapid scalability. 2. A cloud administrator needs to create a secure connection over the Internet between an on-premises data center and a VMware Cloud Software-Defined Data Center, SDDC. Which solution can accomplish this goal? A. VMware Site Recovery Manager. B. VMware vRealize Network Insight. C. VMware NSX. D. VMware Cloud Director. 3. Which out-of-the-box role is required in order to create a content library in VMware Cloud on AWS? A. Cloud Global ADMLN. B. Cloud Admin. C. Active Directory SC Admin. D. Administrator at vSphere. Local. 4. Which two Tanzu Kubernetes grid service component must an administrator configure within VMware Cloud to enable to deploy a namespace or their Kubernetes application developments? Choose 2. A. Tanzu Service Mesh. B. Tanzu Application Platform. C. Tanzu Kubernetes Cluster. D. Management Cluster. E. Tanzu Observability by Wavefront. 5. A cloud administrator is managing a VMware Cloud on AWS environment containing of a single cluster with 3 hosts. Which acts recovery site for the on-premises environment? The on-premises environment consists of 8 hosts. What should the cloud administrator configure to optimize scaling for full disaster recovery? A. Configure an elastic DRS policy and set the maximum cluster size to 8. B. No additional configuration is required. Default elastic DRS will fulfill the requirement. C. Configure an elastic DRS policy and select Optimize for rapid scale out. D. Configure an elastic DRS policy and set minimum cluster size to 8. 6. When configuring VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery, VCDR, with what can protection groups and disaster recovery plans be associated? A. Only a single vCenter instance in the on-premises data center or VMware Cloud Software Defined Data Center, SDDC. B. Multiple vCenter instances in the same VMware Cloud Software Defined Data Center, SDDC, or on-premises data center. C. Multiple vCenter instances in the same VMware Cloud Software Defined Data Center, SDDC, or only a single vCenter in the on-premises data center. D. Only a single vCenter instance in the VMware Cloud Software Defined Data Center, SDDC, or multiple vCenter instances in the on-premises data center. 7. Which logical switching component provides Layer 2 forwarding functionality in a VMware Cloud Software Defined Data Center, SDDC? A. Segment port. B. Uplink. C. NVDS, VDS. D. Transport node. 8. Which types of networks are available when creating a segment in VMware Cloud on AWS? A. Routed, extended, disconnected. B. Advertised, extended, isolated. C. Routed, stretched, disconnected. D. Advertised, stretched, isolated. 9. A cloud administrator wants to view and manage workloads across both an on-premises environment and a VMware Cloud on AWS Software-Defined Data Center, SDDC. Which solution meets this requirement? A. Enhanced Linked Mode. B. VMware HCX. C. vCenter Single Sign-On. D. Hybrid Linked Mode. 10. A cloud administrator is planning to migrate 1,000 VMs from their existing on-premises location into VMware Cloud on AWS. The migration will need to be completed as quickly as possible. Upon completion, the users will need the most reliable, lowest latency connection possible. Which on-premises data center connectivity option will meet these requirements? A. Layer 2 VPN. B. AWS Direct Connect. C. VMware Transit Connect. D. IPsec VPN.